Welcome, Dr. Swaroop. Please tell us about yourself and your profession.
Yeah, thank you for giving me this platform to introduce myself. So, I am Dr. Swaroop Bhatankar. So, I come from a family of doctors. So, I'm the 13th one in my family. So, I did my undergraduation as well as my post graduation in psychiatry from SAGS Medical College, that is KM Hospital, Mumbai. And after I completed my internship, when there was the time to choose my field of expertise, my family members were very much shocked rather than surprised that I decided to take up the branch of psychiatry, because in my family nobody is specialized in that branch. Everybody is either a radiologist or a pathologist or a pediatrician, but nobody a psychiatrist, a dermatologist as well. So when I was doing my internship in KM Hospital, so my first posting as an intern was in the psychiatry department, and I was very much amazed and surprised the way they worked and how they dealt with the patients. It was completely different as compared to the other fields of medicine, because here it is more of having a different kind of relationship with your patients, whether in other departments it is more of what you say, it's more of an equation, like, okay, these are the cluster of symptoms, you come to a diagnosis, you have a treatment. But psychiatry is completely different. The symptoms, the cluster of symptoms could be else, the diagnosis could be something else, and you need to definitely work very hard to come to a conclusion, because it is all based on human to human interaction. So it is all clinical oriented. You are not dependent on any kind of investigations to find out the root cause of the problem that you're facing. Obviously, science now have a lot of answers for the distress that you feel, currently. But still, there is so much of a humanity touch to this profession that actually made me, drawn towards it. And after I completed my post graduation in 2015, so for a year or so, I was working as a lecturer in psychiatry at Maharashtra Institute of Mental Health, where I was assigned to do a lot of certifications which we need to do. Especially, you have to certify mental disability or a gun license, or for any kind of people with criminal background who are now under custody, and you need to maybe certify them whether they are fit for trial or not. So that 1 year went in that. Then I came to Mumbai. I was in Pune for a year. Then I came to Mumbai, and then I joined DY Patil Hospital, Mumbai, as the assistant professor in psychiatry. There I was there for almost 2 years, where I was the active part of the OPD and active part of the department, where there were a lot of students, especially MD students. Then you have your psychiatry nursing student. Then you have your occupational therapy students, physiotherapy students. So psychiatry, especially human psychology, is a part of a very important subject in all these specialized courses, okay, over all the fields of medicine. So I was an active member where I was teaching them. Then I joined Regional Mental Hospital Thane as a medical officer in psychiatry. The reason to experiment with a lot of these jobs was to learn a lot and to decide what actually attracts me and what is my interest, in which area of psychiatry that I would like to work on. Then what happened is that during this time when I was working as well as learning a lot from various institutes, in 2016, when I actually came to Mumbai, I started my own private practice, clinic and counseling center, and now it has been 4 years doing extremely well. I have a psychologist who works with me as well. And then when I was a medical officer at Regional Mental Hospital Thane, that time I was pregnant and then I delivered, and 6 months down the line I got an opportunity to work with Institute for Psychological Health Thane with Dr. Natkani sir, who is a very well known in our field for the last 40 years. So now I am a consultant there as well, and I have my own clinic as well. So what I feel is that for the last 6 years, or maybe since 2012, since I have joined psychiatry, to learn psychiatry, what I feel is that this branch has given me an opportunity to develop my own self, explore my own potential, and also be more empathetic towards human beings as such, because we deal with human emotions day in and day out. And I am very much blessed with a lot of good teachers in my life, right from I joined psychiatry till today. Wherever I am working or I am a part of that institute, I have been blessed with fascinating teachers who have taught me everything. And I think whatever I am today, they are also equally, they have their immense contribution to what I am today in my field.
Great, great. You are full of humility and humbleness and giving, respect to your, teachers. That's a very good thing. So, what is your challenges you're facing
Yeah.
while treating your patients,
Oh, so see, even though psychiatry as a branch has now developed over the last 50 years, still people have a lot of stigma. They feel that talking about their emotional needs or emotional, especially your emotional vulnerability is a sign of weakness. So people don't want to talk about it. People want to hide about it. So even if they're coming to our OPDs, they don't want their name to be revealed, or they want to assure that all this information is confidential. They don't want their family members to get involved in this whole process. So the major challenge, I think all of my colleagues who are mental health professionals would resonate to what I say, that the biggest challenge that we all face is, destigmatization of mental health, that we have to make a lot of efforts to make people realize that mental health is as equally important as your physical health. If somebody is having even a simple chest pain, that person would run at any point, at any time of the day, even though it would be in the morning, 3 o'clock, to the emergency to see if he's having a heart attack. But if you're feeling very low, or if you're having kind of thoughts of even harming yourself, you tend to keep it to yourself rather than seeking help for it.